Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making black chana chaat or black chickpea chaat. For this recipe, we're going to need boiled black chana, boiled potatoes, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, green chili pepper, black salt or any table salt, roasted cumin seeds, tamarind chutney, chaat masala, and lemon juice. Alrighty, we need a bowl and a spoon. We're going to add our chanas in here. It's very simple, quick, and very healthy. So, if you are hungry and you don't want to make anything, you already have a boiled. These chanas are called black chana. They're kind of the same, but not like taste is little different. And these are like very good for your health as well. And I boiled it. I soaked it, then I boiled it. If you want to leave it overnight soaked and then you boil this morning and then you just check it, see, this is very good. They are like good. So then I drain the water. Then we're adding all our ingredient in there. Here is the potatoes. I cut it in cubes. So basically, we're gonna mix it all together. These are onions, tomatoes. You can cut it in any shape, but I did this. A little bit of the tamarind chutney. It makes the change in the taste. So this time we are not using a white salt. I have a black salt. So that's a little different taste-wise, and also for certain things, if you use that, that's even better. So this is very good for your digestive system as well. So we can choose it how much we want. Make sure at first you don't add so much because we have chaat masala and it has some salt as well in there. So we're not adding so much at one time. And here are chili pepper. If you don't like it, chili pepper, don't add it. It's like optional. I roasted some cumin seeds. We're gonna add in there. And at the end, we're gonna add our lemon juice. If you want very spicy, you can add more chili pepper, but I think that's good. So basically, we are mixing it. And I'm gonna add all lemon juice because I use a big lemon and it's half of the lemon juice is there. And at the end, we're adding our cilantro. Okay, that's it. We're like mixing really good, and that easy it's made. So what we usually need two things. Our boiled chana. If you don't have a black chana, don't worry about it. You can use white, but this is like whatever the spices I use just really make difference in black. So it's like health-wise, it's better. And so we mix it all together. You can use a cumin seed powder, but when you roast it, it's different taste. That's the reason I'm trying to tell you guys. Very simple, very quick. As long as you have a boiled chanas or chickpeas and boiled potatoes, you are good to go. And it's a healthy snack for any time. All right, my friends, it's all done, and let me plate it. Okay, here is our black chana chaat or black chickpea chaat ready to eat. It's easy, quick, and healthy snack. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.